the speed from here. Look at the distance.
Click the subscribe button and let's check out this vacuum over here and blows over here. Yeah, okay. Subscribe, please. It's your girl Rosie, aka La Rosa. Today I'm feeling the vibes, I'm feeling myself. Welcome back to my channel, my kings and queens. I have this compressed air duster. It's another one. It's another one. It's another one. So this is from Fortakasy. I may not be saying it well, but Fortakasy. Fortakasy, like Forte. KC or Forte or Fortakasy or Fortakasy. Sorry, I'm not sorry. It's not just my accent. I simply don't know how to say it. Okay, let's open this up. Actually, let me tell you a little bit about this product. Subscribe if you haven't at this point, please. Appreciate you guys. So that's it right there. Compressed air duster. 1300? Okay, 130,000 RPM. Portable air duster with full adjustable 8,000 mAh rechargeable cordless jet dry blower, perfect for work decks, car, home, outdoors, outdoors cleaning and all that stuff. This one is gray color, this particular one. How much is it, you ask? This is $74.99, as small as it is, $74.99. Okay, and the model is LK08. I had done one before, and I will not be comparing. I won't be comparing it side to side because I respect each uniqueness of this product. I'll have the link in my description box. You guys check it out. Let's go ahead and open it up so that way it's not, Oh, I forgot to show you pictures like we always do. So that's it. Carrying pouch, I guess, the charging cable, probably another nozzle and all that stuff. We'll see for sure when we open it up. So you can use it in the compressed air duster and vacuum, 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. See? So we'll try some things out. And that brushless motor, all the whatever, low voltage protection and all that stuff. Click the link in my description box so you can get more in detail, so you can read more detailed specification about it. And then that for car, home, out. Oh, nice. I'm going to use it as a portable. I'm using the last one as a portable blow dryer when I travel. Okay, Type-C charger and all that. And look, carry it without any burden. As iPhone 15 and the same height with iPhone 15 Pro. Okay. Oh, speaking of, let me give you actual height measurement. The actual measurement, 146 mm. So it's about 5.75 inches. Long and all that. Okay, I probably should have read all the stuff from here says the same thing. So the rated voltage is 7.2, product model is LK08, rated input is 5V, dust cup capacity is 0.35 liters, interface type C, product size, all that, like I told you. The weight is 263 grams for some of you that plan to travel with it. And then appearance, material, ABS, motor type, DS brushless model or modem. So all the instructions that comes with it, all that. Let's test it out. Okay, where is the scissors? User manual as usual, carrying pouch with actual duster, charging cable, and the duster or the brush cleaner brush, whatever. No, this is actually the brush, not to clean the vacuum, but I guess the one to suction, whatever, because I see something here. We'll see. I never used, I think the last one I had, I don't know if it has all this extra stuff. We'll see. I never used this type. Always make sure you charge before you use. For the sake of this video, I won't be doing that. That's whatever filter over here. And that, so I'll figure out how to use it. We'll see. For sure, it says that this is the brush head, which is this, and this is the extension rod, and of course the dust storage hood. The knob control switch is down there, and then the keys at the back, charging port and charging indicator lights. That's, vacuum mode, you put it there. To blow gun mode, blow gun mode, you remove the, the brush head. Just like I thought. Wow, blowing and vacuuming, we'll see. In order to assemble, we have this. This here is already broken here. I don't know if it came in like that also, but I'm gonna try manage it. So it goes under here. There's some kind of, what do you call it? You push it in here like so, then you screw it. It has to go under, and then screw clockwise to tighten it. So this side will not stay because it's already broken. And then we'll put it in here like that. Push tight, hit that, screw clockwise, and then we put this one there, and to the back area, I guess to vacuum it, but this is to blow. So this has these 4 areas where you have to, put it that way, like so. This area goes on each one. So like so. This to this. It goes in and you screw it. Screw it, that's what it. A little bit, not too much, counterclockwise to bring out. Push and screw a little bit. And there we go. We got our mini vacuum. Turn it on at the back. Press one time. Oh, this is blowing to me. Let's vacuum something. So it says to adjust it here clockwise to the speed you want and anti-clockwise. So let's go ahead and vacuum this little rice. Forgive me, guys. And sorry about the long video. Turn it on again. Just you have to hold it, press and hold for it to work. Let's turn this. I probably shouldn't put rice in there, but just for you guys to see. That's what it does. Let's turn it up a little bit. Okay, let's look for something less, what do you call it, than this. Okay, I'm gonna put this onion stuff here. It's probably too big, but let's try this out. Oh, I feel it. So it comes straight at me. It shoots. I feel a little bit behind me. Look at that. But you get the idea. Now, okay. Because it's vacuuming and it's also blowing at the same time. If I was gonna blow, it's just gonna be this, like so. So, see? So these are some actual blowing, not just my hair, because I'm a girl. I don't know why it's doing that, but I'm gonna empty it and see. Yeah, I'm outside. So these are all the rice. They have this thing here where you can use and bring it out. So I'm gonna reach out to the company because that stuff finally, it's barely hanging on. And this is my honest review. This stuff is barely hanging on. Okay, let's blow all the rice with God and all that stuff. Remember, you can adjust how much speed you want. It actually has an arrow down there. Look at that. You keep going counterclockwise to turn it off, like so, and like this to turn it on. So remember, I didn't charge it, guys, so I don't know why it's doing like that instead of blowing consistently, but I'm sure it's very okay. So if I charge it and it does better, I will let you know. But as of now, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Appreciate you guys. So I charged it up for a few hours. Let's continue where we stopped. That's much better. It's because I didn't charge it. Okay, much better. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, Fortakasy. Sorry if I'm spelling or pronouncing your name wrong. I do appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't at this point. I probably should not promote. I should probably put it like this. Like and subscribe if you haven't at this point. I appreciate you guys, and stay put for the next video. Bye. Over and out.